Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Krittapas Tungkanopas, and this is Natthapon Ruammai. And today we are going to present about UV index indication for IoT projects, presented to Professor Warodom. Okay, let's jump right in. The software that we use are NetPy, Walkway, and Line application. Then let's talk about our materials to use in simulation. We use ESPR32 and LCD, which the version is I2C. Then we use LDR to indicate the lights in the illumination value. Then DHT22 to measure temperature and humidity, and RTC or real-time clock to measure time, of course, and then LEDs, which five variants of color, and then
this project we did it match all the requirement in the assignment, which is for A, we held monitoring humidity, temperature, and illumination using gauge widgets. Next, B, we could sending commands to change models using buttons ranging from mode 1 to 3. Next is we could compute the UV index by using some complicated formula. Last one is the LCD display 12C that we use and real-time clock is used. Moreover, we use line notify for like sending information, the level of UV and UV index to tell the users that if you need a protection or not. All right, let's jump in.
okay, let's get started into our walkway project. Okay, about our project, here is our code, which consists of like 400 line of codes. Okay, okay, here is our brief code, and this is our ESP32, and then all of our sensors and LCD, and then the LEDs. Okay, let's get started with our simulation. So I will press the button here to start simulation, and then wait for a second. And this is our student ID, and this is the project, the subject course. Okay, here we go.
Okay, let's jump right into the NetPy, which we have gauges which display the humidity, temperature, illumination, and UV index. Firstly, I'm gonna show it that we could adjust it if we increase the temperature. The temperature will increase, but it have a little bit of delay. So here it is. Right. So if we decrease the humidity will be decreased in that pie, which this is. Next is the illumination, which if we increase the illumination, the illumination will increase, which is the unit is lux. Okay, and the UV index will increase also because of the formula we did it. Next is about the mode, which we have three modes in this project, which the first mode, we will focus only the LCD display, which it will display about UV index in the first line. Next is the level of UV. Next, it will tell the user that if you require protection or not. Let's show it if we not require any protection. Here it is. The UV index is very low. It will not affect our body, so we don't need any protection. Next is the second mode. We will focus on the LED light, which will show you in different colors, in 5 different colors, which will indicate the different level of UV index, which we set it in the low UV index, it will light up the green bulb. So if we increase it exponentially, it's gonna increase our UV index. So here it is. It's go to yellow because it is between like 3 something or maybe 5 right now. Red is very high UV index. Last one is very, very high, like 11 index up. Last one is the third mode, which we combine our first mode and second mode together. Moreover, we got real-time clock that show the time. Yep. And we show the LCD display and light also.
Okay, then moving on to our next topic. Okay, our next feature is the line notification. As you can see here, we set the illumination into like just 200 and it notified that there is no protection required, the UV is low. And then we adjusted it up into like 6,000. It can say very high, and you see here, late lighted up and extra UV protection is required. And what if we just put it into like 100,000? It's extremely high, like this. Same as in our walkway simulation. And the reason of this is we use the trigger and hook function. We use trigger to create 5 different if cause ranging from low to extremely high, and then event hook each for one cause that happens, and then we use the line notify website to give us this result. Okay, thank you so much.